Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. We have a fun-filled video tonight talking about something that is one of the most important tools that you could ever have in your arsenal for your business, regardless of whatever business that is that you are in. And I am talking about the thing that gives you the biggest first impression of anything when it comes to digital is your website. That's right. I'm going through all of the information about your website and how critically important it is and how it can actually help you not only build your business and become a better company or a better organization, it can also make it so that your brand awareness is well known for years and years to come. So go ahead and sit back in your seats. Go ahead, grab that popcorn. Go ahead, get one of those Chardonnays, and let's get into it. In today's digital age, having a website is essential for any business looking to establish a strong online presence. A website is often the first point of contact between a business and its customers, which is why it's important to make a positive first impression. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of website design and why investing in a well-designed website is key to driving engagement, sales, and revenue for your business. We'll explore how a well-designed website can improve your search engine rankings, build trust with customers, increase sales and revenue, and help you stay ahead of the competition. So if you're looking to take your online presence to the next level, keep watching this video. See, first impressions matter. A well-designed website can make a positive first impression on your visitors, which can translate into an engagement and sales. A visually appealing website with a user-friendly interface can create a positive user experience and keep visitors coming back for more. A well-designed website can make a big difference in terms of how potential customers perceive your business. It's also important to have a website that looks professional and visually appealing with an easy to navigate interface. This can create a positive user experience and encourages visitors to stay on your site for longer and explore what you have to offer. Additionally, a well-designed website can establish your brand identity, make it easier for customers to remember and recognize your business. See, a well-designed website can improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. When it comes to getting noticed online, search engine optimization or SEO is key. A well-designed website is optimized for search engines can improve your search engine rankings, which it can make it easier for potential customers to find you when they are searching for relevant keywords or phrases. This can lead to increased traffic, higher engagement, ultimately more sales. See, building trust with your customers is vitally important. A professional looking website can help you establish trust with your customers. A website that looks outdated or unprofessional can lead to a negative perception of your business, while a well designed website can build credibility and trust. In order to build a successful business, it's important to establish trust with your customers. A well designed website can help you do just that. A professional looking website can establish your credibility and build trust with your customers, which can make them more likely to do business with you. Additionally, a well designed website can help you convey the important information about your business, such as your mission and values, and your approach to customer service. See, increasing sales and revenues is what a brand new website or a well designed website can do. One that is easy to navigate and visually appealing and informative will actually drive sales and increase revenue. A well designed website can showcase your products or services or provide visitors with the information that they need to make a purchase. Ultimately, the goal of the website is to drive sales and increase revenue for your business. So, a well designed website can help you achieve these by providing visitors with a positive user experience that makes it easy for them to find what they're looking for and make a purchase. By showcasing your products or services in a visually appealing manner, and providing visitors with all the information they need to make an informed decision, you can increase the likelihood of converting visitors into customers. Now, it's important to stay ahead of the competition. Well, a well-designed website can help you do just that. With so many businesses vying for attention online, a professional-looking website can help you stand out from the crowd and attract new customers. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to have a website that stands out from the crowd and the competition. A well-designed website can help you do just that by providing a unique user experience that sets you apart from other businesses in your industry. Additionally, a well-designed website can help you establish your brand identity as well, making it easier for customers to remember and recognize your business. This can help you stay on top of mind and attract new customers over time. So, in conclusion, having a well designed website is critical for any business looking to succeed in today's digital landscape. A website that is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines can help establish trust with customers, drive sales and revenue, and help you stay ahead of the competition. By investing in a professional looking website, you can create a positive user experience that encourages visitors to explore your business further and ultimately convert more customers into sales. So, whether you're looking to just start out or you're looking to revamp your existing website, remember the benefits of a website design and how it can help take your business to the next level. So, in today's digital age, it is vitally important to have an amazing website that's very user friendly, easy to use to help convert your potential customers into sales and also give you an advantage over the competition. And that's what we have here. It all starts with the actual software that your website is built on. If your website is outdated or it looks very basic and simple, it's not going to be very eye appealing or eye catching to your potential customers. If they can't find your information easy, regardless of whatever your niche is or whatever your business is, then they're certainly not going to be able to understand all of the things that you have to offer that customer. So it all starts with the software itself. That's why we developed the all-in-one business software. We spent over $15 million in combining all of these amazing things into one unique revolutionary software of it. It's the first of its kind that has never been done before. So every single thing you could ever imagine that you would normally have to outsource is actually built in the software itself. In fact, our entire company runs on this software. Everything from our online business network, our online business app, all of our our online marketplace, and all of these other things that we use are all created and works all based upon this software. Now, this software, as far as the website builder, if you've never had a website before, you've never built anything before, we have video tutorials that take you step by step of the way how to utilize this entire software. So if this is something that you're looking to get into for the first time for a business, say it's a small business of any kind, or if you have an existing business and you're looking to overhaul your entire program, this is got all of the tools for you. Say you have an existing business and you are looking to maybe create something like a sales funnel. Well, traditionally you would have to outsource that kind of thing, and a company like ClickFunnels, as an example, might be able to build you, and you could pay for their services, a sales funnel or a click funnel that could help drive traffic to your website. Well, this has it already built into it. So no matter where you are or what you do, it all starts when it comes to your website based upon the software that it is built upon. Everything is based upon the technology of the software. This software is super advanced. It is the first of its kind. And when you learn how to utilize these tools, you can help grow your business and retain your customers and help increase your sales and your profits. And people will start to recognize you and your branding and your brand awareness. If any of this you found interesting, go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe below. I appreciate your time. Check out in the comments, in the description, there will be a link for this website. We are putting in there a 14 free day trial. There is no credit card required. So if you would go ahead and try the software before you buy it, sort of like give it a test drive, that way you can kind of see all of these things for yourself. My name is Michael Wright. I appreciate your time. Thank you and have a good night.